Okay, welcome to the third weekly video. And so far, what we have done is render different shapes on the screen and make them interact with each other. Wait, let me just show you. Yeah, so this is our environment basically. So you can't see any objects right now because I haven't rendered them yet. The shapes are being rendered by clicking the right click mouse button, and before clicking the right click you have to select what shape you're gonna render, which shape you're gonna render by pressing T, C or S. T for triangle, C for circle and S for square. So now I just press T and now I'm gonna right click, and now I'm rendering triangles on the screen. Now if I press C, I'm rendering circles, and S for square, and these are basically the shapes which are being rendered. And in order also like to render them in a like container type environment, I can add borders. Just wait. Let me add. Where's the init function? Here it is. Yes, so now we have borders, and these shapes, they can be rendered in like a closed environment. And there's one teeny tiny thing more. Let me render shapes first. Okay, I can also add the wind force by pressing W. You see now it's like towards the right direction, and if I press W again, the wind force is gone. I can toggle the wind by pressing W. So you see when I render and I press W, it's like a gravity towards the right direction. If it's like a wind force, and when I press W again, the wind force is gone. So basically, that's the whole implementation for now. And there have been many challenges actually. And okay, first of all, you should know that this is not any other SDL game which different to all like other students are making. Just showing objects with zero acceleration, and showing sprites, like showing images and sprites on the screen and all that. We are not actually using any sprites or images. We are these objects are being drawn. Okay, the box, the body, the in the display function, uh, these objects are being drawn on the body. So that's the basically these implementations. And also moreover, you know the greatest challenge we had was learning box 2D with SDL. Yeah, because there were some points in which we like some moments in which we thought, okay, yeah, this might be a little too much, because this was something we haven't tried before, and box 2D was new to every one of us actually. And there were like 5 to 6 steps in box 2D. Let me like show you, like for suppose if we have to add a quadrilateral object, a quadrilateral body. First, you have to define. You have to create a body, right? Right, and then you have to create a shape, and you have to decide which shape, a polygon or a circle or a chain shape, right? Here we have defined a polygon shape, right? And also, like, then you have to create a fixture. A fixture is like a glue that binds the shape to the body, and it's like the place where we get some other physics parameters too, like density and friction and restitution and at the end we put it all together, like use the fixture to attach the shape. So these there are like different steps to create a complete body, and after creating the body we came up with draw functions to draw and display over those same bodies, right? And there's this like there are many new things that came with the box 2D library. And one of the most hard challenges we faced is working connecting the SDL and box 2D, mainly because we had to uh, you know understand how to convert the coordinates in order to use the box 2D world, right? So with every object or every new shape we made, or every force we tried to implement, we had to show it on we were implementing according to the box 2D world, but we had to show it through SDL. So that was one of the big challenge that we faced, right? So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you. Wait, one more thing. So far we have done this, right? And we will add actually the user input, and make it more fancy in different ways. And we will try to control these objects with user input. Thank you.